In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a connected app in Salesforce. First, let's navigate to your Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, we're going to start by accessing the quick settings. This is where you can make several changes to your Salesforce setup with just a few clicks. Now, let's move on to opening the advanced setup options. You'll find that by clicking through your quick settings, and it's where we can dive deeper into the configuration we need for our connected app. Next, you're going to type App Manager in the search bar. The App Manager is your go-to tool for managing all applications within Salesforce. Click on it and you'll find an array of existing apps, but today we will be creating a new one from scratch. So let's click on New Lightning App. This option is pivotal for starting a new app environment, giving you the innovative advantages of Salesforce Lightning. When the new app screen appears, it's time for you to type in the app name. This will be how you identify your new creation, so make it relevant to its function. Subsequently, enter the developer's name. This step is crucial as it records who's responsible for the app's development, a useful detail for tracking purposes. Next, click on Image. Here you can add a visual representation for your app, something that makes it easy to identify at a glance. Alongside the app image, it's a good idea to choose a primary color hex. This element will help create a consistent color pattern throughout your app, enhancing user experience aesthetically. With those settings done, click on Next. Now we come to App Options. This is where you determine the functionality settings. Options here allow you to tailor the app's behavior to best suit your needs. Adjust these carefully to make sure the app performs correctly. The next thing we're looking at is the navigation style. This option defines how users will move through your app. Make your choice based on the most logical or intuitive design for your intended users. Following that, check out the supported form factors. Ensuring compatibility across devices ensures your app will look great and work well whether on desktop or mobile. At this stage, we move on to App Personalization Settings. These provide fine-tuning options to customize the app further and provide unique experiences for users. Hit Next again, and then we move on to adding utility items. Utility items are features or tools users can access wherever they are within the app, providing handy shortcuts or functionalities. Pick a utility item that complements what you want your app to do, then proceed by clicking Next once more. Following this, you'll need to choose navigation items. These are points users will select to navigate your app, which you can then add by clicking Add. Click on App Launcher and then Add. This step ensures your app is available through the main menu in Salesforce. Afterward, click Next, and now it's time to assign user profiles. These profiles determine who can access the app. You may choose specific roles depending on who needs to use the app within your organization. Finally, click on Add, and one last time select Save and Finish. Congratulations, you've just created a connected app in Salesforce.